Hey, welcome back to Health Hub channel, your go-to spot for expert insights on fitness, nutrition, and total well-being. Today, I want to talk about something you've probably heard of if you hang around the fitness world, but I bet you didn't know just how far its benefits go. Creatine. Yeah, the gym staple. But trust me, it's so much more than just a supplement for bodybuilders and athletes. Let's get into it. Most of us think of creatine as the go-to for boosting strength and power, especially if you hit the weights. But here's the kicker. Science is showing that creatine has way broader health benefits than just helping you smash your PRs. Dr. Richard Kreider, one of the world's leading creatine researchers and the director over at Texas A&M's Exercise and Sport Nutrition Lab, has spent more than 3 decades digging into what creatine really does. He explains that creatine is a naturally occurring compound. Your body actually makes it. And it's stored mostly in your muscles. It teams up with phosphate to form creatine phosphate, which fuels your cells when they need a quick hit of energy. But here's where it gets really cool. When you're under stress, whether you're exercising hard or dealing with certain diseases, creatine phosphate helps keep your cells powered up. So beyond just making you a better athlete, creatine is a legit protector of your health. We're talking benefits for your muscles, your brain, your metabolism, basically your whole system. Now, how much do you actually need? Your body makes about 1 gram per day on its own. But experts recommend getting 2 to 4 grams daily, depending on your muscle mass and how active you are. Here's the catch. Most diets don't give you enough. You'd have to eat a pound of red meat or fish, like every day, just to get 1 gram. That's pricey, and let's be real, not exactly easy to do. So supplementing becomes important, especially if you're vegetarian or vegan, since you're not getting much from plants. If you're going for athletic performance, Dr. Kreider suggests starting with 5 grams, 4 times a day for about a week. That loading phase saturates your muscles with creatine. After that, just 5 to 10 grams daily keeps you topped up and actually helps with things like recovery and even cognitive function. Yep, creatine literally helps your brain work better. But the benefits don't stop at athletes. For older adults, creatine can help slow down muscle loss and may even protect against cognitive decline. There's also research showing that teenagers with low creatine intake have slower growth, less muscle, and more body fat. So this isn't just about getting jacked. Creatine's good for health at every age. What about safety? You might have heard stuff about creatine causing bloating or cramping. But in a massive review of 685 clinical trials, Dr. Kreider and his team found no real difference in side effects between people who took creatine and those who didn't. In fact, creatine may actually help your body retain fluid and prevent cramping. All those scary stories online. The science just doesn't back them up. The bottom line, creatine is safe, effective, and benefits way more than just your muscles. It's time to move past the myths and see creatine for what it really is. A powerful tool for health at any age and any activity level.